Guys, good morning. This is our second episode, no? Kahapon, nag-check out na sugar ko from the other day, 550, and then 2, 3, 2, 1. And then today, we will gonna check our sugar, no? Akin lang pala, may sugar. So, kahapon, guys, wala talaga akong diet. So, what I did was, I took lunch and dinner, take 500 ml of soft drinks, and then, pagkatapos nun, I took my merienda with 2 burger patties, no, double, dalawa yan, double patty na 2 burgers. And then I took 7 Torjaks, no? Torjaks kasi dito, it's Toron with jackfruit, no? So, guys, ganun yon. So, my sugar was from 550, 321, and now is 296. So, this what's happening, guys, ito lang yung tinitake ko niyan para malaman lang ng lahat, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyo.